What's up you guys, my name's Ali Gray and I'm a beauty and lifestyle TikToker, and today we are going to do a massive Mecca Beauty unboxing. The timing has been perfect. I'm actually about to get ready for a friend's wedding and I'm really keen to see what kind of looks we can create with the products I've just received. Oh my god, Emma Lewisham! So this is the famous Skin Reset. It's a concentrated even skin tone serum. People rave about this brand and this product in particular, so I am so keen to try it. Not to prime is a crime, and this one from Laura Mercier is so bomb. It gives the skin a really nice blurring effect. Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I've heard so many good things about this one. Smashbox X Becca's Under Eye Brightening Concealer. This Laura Mercier bronzer is also a tinted moisturizer. That's crazy to me. I've never actually tried something like this. Ooh, I've never tried this brand before. It's called Surat. I think I've just butchered that. It's the liquid blush in the shade Parfait. Oh, this color looks amazing. Lily Lashes and the Glue. Westman Atelier Bone Brow Define Pencil in Clay. Kevyn Aucoin The Volume Mascara in Black. The NARS Orgasm Eyeshadow Palette and the Jouer Lights Eye Paints. Wow, look at this. The famous Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It's iconic for a reason. These are the Urban Decay Lip Bonds. It says they're an instant shine and all day intensity, which is something I need when I'm sipping champagne today. Some Mecca Cosmetica makeup brushes and the Juno & Co microfiber sponge. Let's start with some hydration. I really love products that have like this little squeezy top. Wow, no wonder so many people like this. This feels super hydrating on the skin. The Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is really good if you have dry skin. Now, I get quite uneven skin, so I love this soft blurring effect that it gives to the face. Okay, so I actually like to conceal before I put my foundation on. I feel like it hides my rosacea just a little bit better. And for this, I'm just gonna use the Becca X Smashbox Under Eye Corrector in the shade Medium. And to blend in, I'm just gonna use the Mecca Cosmetica double-ended complexion brush and just that smaller brush side. My complexion is already looking quite good, so I don't think I'll need to use too much concealer today. I know it's an under eye corrector, but I'm just gonna put it all over my face. All right, so this is with the Becca concealer and then this is without. Okay, next we're going in with the Anastasia Luminous Foundation and my shade is 210N. Honestly, finding your correct foundation shade match online is so hard, but I'm telling you, use the Mecca shade match feature. It is a total game changer. Whoa, this is a medium coverage, but it feels really lightweight on the skin. Never forget your ears. And the neck. And the hairline. Okay, looking good. Let's add some dimension. So if you haven't used a product before like a bronzer, my advice is pop it on the back of your hand and then use your brush to apply. You can start light and then build. That's so nice. This looks so good. Now I know this is a foundation brush, but I love stipple brushes for my bronzer, so you can really direct that application of the product. And then I just use the excess around my forehead and the jawline. Surat blush in Parfait. I love using the same brush so all the products mix together really well. Wow, this blush is just so beautiful and light. It's super buildable too. Now you can afford to go a little bit overboard with your blush because it is the first thing that fades in your makeup. And then I like to go up towards my temples as well. So I'm going to start with a lipstick and then shape the rest of my makeup look around that. And this is the Urban Decay Lip Bond in the shade PDA. So you're actually meant to shake this for 5 seconds before you apply it. Oof, that's nice. Okay, little tip, if you don't want lipstick on your teeth, grab your finger. It takes all the excess off. Okay, so my lipstick is really bold, so I'm gonna go nice and light with the rest of my makeup. This Jouer Paris Eye Paint will be so beautiful, but it's still got a little sparkle to it. And this is the shade L'Amour. And then I'm gonna grab the Mecca Cosmetica eyeshadow brush. Now I have hooded eyes, so I like to go all the way up to my eyebrows, just so you can see like a little bit of sparkle. Eyebrows. I always like to go a little bit lighter with my eyebrow pencil color, just so it's not too in your face. Like, I don't love really bold eyebrows. This is such a nice mascara. All right, so I don't know how long tonight's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a late one. So let's lock it in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which is at icon status at this point. So this is the makeup look. I really like it. It's very me. It's super sort of, you know, natural. It's not too over the top, but we've got a little pop of color, which I love. So let me just do my hair and I'm gonna get ready and then I'll come back. So this is the final look. I think it's really nice and cute. I think the vibe is so cute with the makeup. Love the little pops of color. Very me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more fun on the Mecca YouTube channel. So you can shop this look in store and online, and make sure to follow me on my socials as well at Ali Rose Gray. See you later.